Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Tanaya.
Ma'am, ma'am, roll number 38 is trying to connect, but due to network issue, she is not in the meeting.
Okay, fine. Fine, Tanaya. Okay.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
ma'am. Thank you.
Karthik, I hope you shared desktop. Karthik. Everything will be visible to me. Yeah, yeah, yes. Go to file. Yes, you did it correctly, Karthik. Again, you unshared the screen. Huh. Go to file. Uh, New file or project. Mm, New file or project. Yeah. Now here there are two options. First is Qt widget application and console application. Choose Qt widget applications. Yes. Huh. Continue. Give some name. Say first assignment is based on DDA line algorithm. So you can say DDA or assignment number 3, whatever it is. Give some name, Karthik. Hmm. It's not DDL, it's DDA, Karthik. Okay. Continue. Okay, fine. Continue. Okay. Here if you want to change name, you can, otherwise keep it as it is. Doesn't matter. Continue. Yes. Continue. Don't worry. Uh, Now, in the kits, check all of you whether the desktop is selected by you. By default, it is selected. Okay, if it's not there in your case, that means your Qt is not installed properly. Fine, continue. Done. Done, Karthik. Yes. Okay. One folder get created over here. DDA line. Wait, it is loading. Okay. Let it complete. कार्तिक तुझी वरची स्क्रीन अशी हे का होतीये स्टडी का नहीं रहता है आई मीन टू से ओके हाँ ओपन योर क्यूटी हाँ not yet loaded click on that triangle हाँ okay so there is a header folder sources folder and forms folder okay go to forms folder we are going to start with the forms folder every time yes main window dot ui double click it double click yes okay now here is a widget box left upper blank space is there filter is written faint filter is written अजून वर left upper yes blank space is there now type label drag and drop that label on form drag and drop yes now anyone is lagging shall I wait or shall I continue okay I will continue now there is at right bottom geometry option is available in yellow color faint yellow color yes click that geometry option Karthik no that triangle yes put that x value to 0 y value to 0 width to let's say 500 for the label and height is also 500 let's say 500 okay fine okay click on the form or anywhere else yes now see the label width height is changed okay
Ma'am, can
remember
you explain again after the text label?
okay
After
I can
the text.
explain Yes. There is a geometry option at right bottom. Just point Karthik so that huh. So yeah, there set x value to 0, y to 0, okay, width to how much width you said, 500 or 600, whatever it is. Karthik, yeah, 500 by 500, yeah. Stretch the form, Karthik, not the label, form, yeah, stretch it properly. I think you stretched label because the width and height get changed over here again. Uh, Form, हाँ form stretch कर. नहीं होता stretch form, Karthik? Is it getting stretch or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Stretch the form, not label.
Uh, Ma'am, form means this window, no?
Yeah, form means this window.
Ma'am,
On the
this.
window, we put one label. Yes.
I'm not getting what I have seen.
Is it happening in other cases? You stretch the form properly.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I guess the geometry is of the form that 500 by 500.
Okay, it's not for label. Click on the
Yeah.
label, Karthik, text label. No, it's for the label only. He has taken label. Okay,
No,
do one
means
thing.
first it was 800
Hmm.
by 600 and he changed it to 500 by 500.
Okay, do one thing, Karthik. Delete the label. We will put it one more time. Okay. First we will stage the form and then we'll put it. Now stage the form. Okay.
is it okay now?
You stage the form properly. Now put the label on the form.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Now set width and height and xy values to the label. Yes. Okay. Huh. Yes. Now click anywhere else. Yes. Fine. Now click that label. Oh. Yes, it is showing now. Yes.
Yes.
Karthik. Fine. Fine now. Take 4 more labels, Karthik, but do not put on the label which we have taken previously. Put it either at the right side or at the bottom. Wherever you want you can put, but not on that label. Double click, say x1.
And what
No,
should I?
that label, don't set geometry. Only
Okay.
for one label we need to set geometry. X1. We are going to draw a line, so we need x1, y1, x2, y2.
And should I type X?
Yes, you should type x1. Fine. Copy paste control C control V 3 more times. Uh, One more. Arrange it properly.
Yes.
Yeah. One label, then second label, then third label, fourth label. No, not below that. Below the. थोडं x1 वर मूव करतोस का?
Yes, ma'am.
येस. थोडं स्पेस ठेव 2 लेबलच्या मध्ये. बस व्यवस्थित आहे. ठीक आहे. येस. ओके. Fine. Now take text edit here from here. That box only. Widget filter widget box.
And
Delete that.
there.
Type there only. Label जिथे type केलं ना. Yes. Text. drag and drop text edit on the form in front of x1.
Ma'am,
Text
which one?
edit, text edit. Yes, in front of x1. थोड़ी सी size, हाँ. Control C, Control V, 3 more times. Okay. Now, one thing to remember over here. See, click on the first text field, Karthik, in front of x1. Yeah. At the right side, you will get the text edit as a object name and class name is QTextEdit. Yes, you can see it, all of you. Right upper part, yes, he highlighted it. Nice. Then next, click on the next text edit. Yes, now here it will go to edit 2. Next 3 and next 4, like this. Okay, so this sequence we need to remember while taking the input. Okay, it should not happen that we are entering the value in x1 text edit and you are doing the calculation for y1. It should not happen. Okay, so just
We can also change the variable names, no? For the text edits.
you can change, but use whatever you are using, whatever you are writing there.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Take button now, Karthik. Push
Yes.
button is there. Yes. Now double click the button. Double click it. Say DDA. Yes. Now right click on the button. Wait, Karthik. Everyone completed GUI. This is our GUI. Okay, graphical user interface. For big label, we set width and height. Okay, for remaining label and remaining text field or button, do not need to set the geometry option. Only for one label, that is the big label. Okay, I hope everyone covered up to this point. I will move further. Right click on the DDA. No, you didn't click it properly. Selected, काढून टाक ना.
Selecting it.
No, don't select it.
Okay.
Click somewhere else on the form. Now right click button. Yeah, there is a go to slot option. Everyone,
Yes.
are you able to find it? Yes, click that. By default, click is present, say OK. OK. Karthik,
Yes, ma'am.
press OK. Now, your definition for the button appeared in the main window.cpp. Okay, whatever you are going to write logic on the button, if you click that button, it should work and connect to the slot. Now, okay, for a line, I told you there are 4 inputs required, right? So write int x1, y1, x2, y2 again. Define 4 variables. Yeah. आता तू इथे सिक्वेन्स लिहिताना x1, x2, y1, y2 घेतलायस. Okay, Karthik, but if you whatever input we are going to take from the form that is x1, y1, x2, y2, just you remember it, doesn't matter. Okay, below that next line. So whatever input we are taking from the form, okay, that is in the string format. Okay, we need to convert this input to the whatever data type is expected. Like here we have taken int, so we need to convert it to int. If you are taking a float, you need to convert that input to the float. It is just like a casting operator. Okay, you will learn that casting concept in OOP. Okay, it's static cast is there, dynamic cast is there, different types of castings are there. X1 is equal to, okay, now whatever you put on the form, okay, that will get access with the help of UI pointer. And where is your UI pointer? It's in main window.h. Double click Karthik, main window.h. See UI pointer in the private access specifier. Is it there? Yes, everyone. It's a pointer, okay, which is required for the form, okay, to access the components of a form. One more thing. Now, as soon as you clicked go to slot, and your definition appeared in main window.cpp, and your declaration appeared under the private slot. Void on push button clicked. See the automatic declaration get created over here under private slot. Highlight Karthik under private slots. Disla? Yes?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
visible? Yeah, yeah. Okay, now go to main window.cpp. With the help of UI pointer, we will access the components. Go to main window.cpp.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
I think there is some lag.
Okay, maybe because it's not visible to me, main window.cpp. Now it's visible. Yes. Type UI. It's a pointer. So give arrow. Arrow.
Arrow means which type?
Arrow म्हणजे there is a hyphen, minus sign. Okay. And in front of that there is a greater sign.
Okay.
Now see, many things came, whatever are there on the form, right? Like we created label. Total there are 5 labels, right? And text editor. So first text edit. We want value from first text edit. So select text edit. TEX. Start typing. Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise you can select it. No issue. No issue. So this text edit name should match on your form's text edit name. Okay, it should match. Remember. Again one more pointer. No,
Next.
no, not yet finished. Not yet finished. Statement is not yet finished. Again pointer. The value is in the string. Pointer. Arrow. Karthik.
Ma'am, after pointer.
No, arrow. I mean to say, yes. To plain text, TO. Start typing, it will come in the drop down. Yes, plain text. Yeah, double click it. Dot, dot, to int, TO, int, INT. Yes, semicolon now at the end. Okay, so what we did here, see, as soon as all these things are built-in things, so whatever you are accessing with the UI, that comes in the red color, red or maroon color or orange color, whatever it is, and remaining are the functions of a functions in the Qt creator. Okay, so enter. So what we
Excuse me,
did,
ma'am.
हाँ
मॅम UI मध्ये आपण 4 टेक्स्ट बॉक्स घेतलेत ना, म्हणजे टेक्स्ट एडिट
चारी
घेतले.
घ्यायचे.
तर
हो.
त्याच्यामध्ये आता X1 जिकडे एंटर करतोय त्याचं एक स्पेसिफिक नाव पाहिजे ना, म्हणजे
आहे
चौघांचं
ना.
टेक्स्ट एडिट नसू शकतं ना.
नाही ना, नाही आहे ना, डबल क्लिक कर रे UI ला कार्तिक.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on the text edit. See the name is text edit. Highlight.
हा मॅम पण चार येच अच्छा ओके लेफ्ट वाला ना ओके ओके.
1, 2.
ऑब्जेक्ट आहे ना तो, आणि हे क्लास
हो,
आहे.
हो.
वन क्लास कॅन हॅव मल्टिपल ऑब्जेक्ट्स, राईट मेहुल?
ओके मॅम मग जे CPP मध्ये लिहितोय आपण कार्तिक एक मिनिट .cpp उघड ना.
Oh,
मेन विंडो डॉट.
हा मग त्याच्यामध्ये ते टेक्स्ट एडिट टू कवन जे काय आहे व्हेरिएबल ते पाहिजे ना नाव लाईक.
नाही, बाय डिफॉल्ट जे फर्स्ट क्रिएट करतो ना आपण, ते टेक्स्ट एडिट असतं. बाय डिफॉल्ट फर्स्ट लेबलच नाव असतं.
हा म्हणजे बेसिकली तिकडे त्याचं नावच लिहिणार ना.
हो बरोबर,
ऑब्जेक्ट.
ऑब्जेक्टच नाव आहे तो,
ओके
ऑब्जेक्टच आहे तो. ऑब्जेक्ट
ओके मॅम.
मेथडला ऍक्सेस करतोय ना, UI
हो हो
पॉइंटर
हो
आहे राईट. तो तो ऍक्सेस करतोय ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट केलाय टेक्स्ट एडिट नावाचा, आणि तो मेथड ऍक्सेस करतोय. बरोबर आहे.
ओके मॅम कळालं
हां,
कळालं.
ॲग्री. आणि ती जी मेथड आहे ती स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मॅटमध्ये येते इनपुट, आपल्याला हवं आहे इंट फॉर्मॅटमध्ये. ॲग्री, बिकॉज
येस
वी
मॅम.
आर गोइंग टू पुट द इंटिजर ऑर फ्लोटिंग व्हॅल्यूज नो. पिक्सल मीन्स वी आर टेकिंग इंटिजर व्हॅल्यूज ओनली ॲज अ इनपुट.
ओके मॅम कळालं.
हां चालेल. नेक्स्ट Y1. डू इट नाव फॉर रिमेनिंग 4.
It was texted at 3.
3 or 2? No, I think 2 only. Check it out.
Not 2.
हाँ.
Ma'am, should I
Check
copy
your.
it?
Yes, you can, but don't forget to change the text edit name. Okay, you can copy, no problem. Right.
Yes.
Done. Okay. I hope everyone completed. Okay. Now, what we need to do? Go to main window.h. Karthik.
Yes.
In under the private slot, the push button is already there. Okay. Or you can do under public access specifier. Okay. Enter. Void DDA. We'll write our own function now. In bracket, we will take 4 parameters: int x1, comma int y1. नाही, तसं नाही चालत. इंट लिहावं लागेल प्रत्येक वेळेस. येस, यू हॅव टू टाईप इंट एव्हरी टाइम. इट्स अ डिक्लेरेशन. ओके. Functions won't take the values like this. If you are defining the function, every time you need to specify data type for arguments. Yes, right. Don't forget to give semicolon at the end, because this is the declaration. Okay. And where we are going to write the definition in CPP. So right click on the DDA function.
Ma'am, where?
DDA, तिथेच बरोबर. Yes, there only. Yeah. So there is a refactor option available. Refactor below. Add definition in main window.cpp. See, the definition get added into main window.cpp. Okay. So if you observe how the definition is written, class is declared there itself in the main window.h, and we are defining the function outside the class. So whenever you are writing the definition outside the class, again it's a C++ concept. Return type, class name, scope resolution, and function name and parameters are there. Okay. So return type is void, class name is main window, scope resolution, function name. Cleared, everyone? Now you
How
type.
do we do this? Like,
What?
how did
Sorry.
it come up automatically? Can you explain again?
Uh, which part? The function main window.h.
Yeah, like we in the header file we wrote the prototype and
Right click on the function. There is a refactor option available. Is it coming? If it is not coming, then don't worry, you have to write the definition by your
yeah, ma'am.
hand. Yeah. Then there is a add definition main window.cpp.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Now write your logic here. TDA line algorithm you already have with you. I hope everyone noted down it. Karthik, in notebook.
I don't remember.
Don't remember. Yes. Okay, who is having it? Chalo, bolo. Rohin,
Yes, ma'am.
we solved examples as well based on that. You have that algorithm with you?
DDA line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, then share your screen, Rohin. Karthik,
Just a second.
let him write. Take some notes, no? There is no issue, Karthik. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
At least you can note down some algorithms. We solved so many examples, no? Based on DDA.
Ma'am, I have
Yes.
no. I need to see that.
Okay, and share your screen. Rohin will share now.
Okay.
Okay?
Can you make me the presenter?
Yeah, I will make you.
मॅम
Yes.
प्रायव्हेट आणि प्रायव्हेट स्लॉट मध्ये एक्झॅक्टली काय डिफरन्स आहे?
स्लॉट म्हणजे तो फंक्शन्स लिहितो तिथे. पण जनरली तुम्ही
अच्छा.
पब्लिक ॲक्सेस स्पेसिफायडच्या खाली लिहिले तरी पण चालतात. काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही आहे. ठीक आहे?
ओके ओके
स्लॉट म्हणजे
ओके
सिग्नल स्लॉट असतात ना, कनेक्ट होतो आपण. क्लिक केल्यावर काय झालं पाहिजे? लाईक अ स्लॉट. That is the slot.
Okay.
Button is your slot. Signal is you will get the line like this.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah.
Okay, you added the definition. Fine. थोडासा font मोठा करता येईल का रोहन?
Is it fine?
नाही दिसत आहे मोठा.
I zoomed in.
अजून अजून.
Is it fine?
Yes, now it's okay. Right algorithm. Okay, don't take int over here in DDA. No, in DDA. Everything is float. Remember, because we are doing division, no? So otherwise it will round up to 0 and it won't increment the value. If we will get
No, but
the
DX and DY is fine. No?
yeah, no, sometimes you know that we are dividing that value, no? If it's in integer, no? Rohin,
Yeah, ma'am.
we are dividing
Oh,
dx
I
divided
get
by
that.
length. Are you
Yeah,
getting
yeah.
it? So we need a float itself. That's yeah. Again, step you have taken. No, compare dx dy.
Sorry.
You cannot directly assign step value, no?
Yeah, I am using the ternary operator.
Okay, fine. No problem. For absolute function, okay, it is not asking for mat.h, sometimes it is required. Okay, if it is required, add hash include mat.h.
For x and y, should I take int only, no?
No, float only. Because
Float
x
only.
we are going to add in the float value, right? X is equal to x plus increment, x increment.
Okay.
So yes, for that purpose you need float only. I you can take int.
First, I'll have to make q image, no?
Now less than or equal to is not required. You initialize to 0, no? If you initialize to 1, then at that time less than or equal to is required. Yeah.
For
Uh,
q
Q
image,
image. Syntax.
just
You
a
have
second.
that
Yeah, I have made.
syntax? Okay.
I'll have to pass q image here also, no?
At the globally first declare it. Globally declare, no? Q image.
I should.
Class. Below 2 hash includes. Yes. Okay. Now you can, x comma y comma r capital. Give whatever color you want. 3 parameter. Okay, done. Yeah.
I think it's done, no?
Yes, algorithms you have to keep it with you. Lab teacher is not going to explain the algorithm and everything, okay? So you have to keep the algorithms with you, all of you. Though it's a Bresenham circle, DDA circle, whatever it is, okay? I shared PPTs as well with you. You can refer that if you want. Yes, done. UI label, the big label, you need to set the image, Rohin.
Sorry?
On the label, we need to put
Okay, I get.
image, no?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. That, don't forget this statement. It is must at the end. Before this, you should call the DDA function, okay? Pass these 4 parameters.
Set fix map. Just a second.
It's window in your case. The label name is.
Yeah, I have
Okay.
in window.
Check it out.
Uh, what are the parameters for this set fix map?
Qpixmap, capital Q, pixmap.
Ma'am, can you wait
Scope,
just
scope resolution from image in bracket img. Yes, somebody asking something. Yeah.
ma'am, can you wait just a minute?
Yes, I can wait. No problem. Just we'll wait for a minute. Okay, Rohin?
Yeah, ma'am. I'll
Yeah.
just complete this.
Yeah. Don't pass like this. Check how you have taken inside the function. Yeah, according to that you
I
can
have
pass.
taken that way only.
Then that's okay. Initially you wrote x2, no? That's why I asked.
Yeah.
all of you don't forget to write the URL label function, okay, setPix map function at the end of every button, okay. What it is saying warning or some warning is
No,
there?
I had built it before calling the function. That's why.
Okay. Then somebody asked the question. Siddhi? Who asked question?
Ma'am,
Huh.
no, I didn't ask any question.
Okay. No, who said wait? Somebody said no.
Yeah, ma'am, just 1 second.
Yeah, that's okay. At least till the time you compile Rohin, your code. Hammer is
Yeah.
there at left
I
bottom.
have built it.
You compiled it already?
Yeah.
Okay, no errors, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, run it. Let's check it out whether it's working or not.
Excuse me, ma'am.
First triangle, yes, Aryan.
The program which we have written in main window DDA, right?
Yeah, it's a main window function, no? Class name is main window.
Yeah,
Huh.
means which we took from main window.h and refactored. The program which we have written float dx equals to x2 minus x1
Huh.
y2 minus y1. We have written
Huh.
in DTA, right?
Yes.
And it doesn't matter whether it's above or below, right?
Doesn't matter. Doesn't
The,
matter. No.
okay, yeah.
Huh. Okay. If you are simply writing the functions, no, at that time, if declaration is not there, then there is a problem. Aryan. Okay. Let's
Yes, ma'am.
say from 50-50, we'll draw a line, slanting line, we will check first 50, 50.
50-50.
Where put, 50 for x1, y1 is 50, x2 is 100, y2 is 100. Click on the DTA button, getting the line. Yes or no? Getting it, no?
Yeah.
Let's check it out whether vertical line is there or not. From 50-50, same point to vertical line means you are changing y. X will be as it is. Say 50.
Oh,
Changed x value.
I changed Y accidentally.
Okay, that's okay. You can try
The
vertical,
horizontal
horizontal,
also
both lines. Yeah, both
300.
lines you can try. Just to check whether the algorithm is working properly. उल्टी line draw करके देखो रोहिन. Take x1, y1 as let's say 200, 200.
And
200.
XY2 as
Let's say 100, 100. नहीं तो थोड़ा कम ले लो. 80, 80 ले लो.
it's continuing there only.
हाँ ठीक है, हो रही है ना, लाइन ड्रॉ हो रही है. ठीक है. If you
Yeah.
want to give delay, you can add delay as well to check how the line get drawn. Okay. So,
Ma'am,
is it?
ma'am, in Bresenham circle algorithm, what is that put pixel function?
Yeah, just in some, built-in function in some software in TurboSeeds put pixel. Here it's
Ma'am,
set
so while writing the code, what do we write? Set pixel
image
only?
dot set pixel. Image dot set pixel.
Okay, X,
Eight,
Y, and color.
8 times. Yes, 8 times.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope now you will be able to implement the algorithm. You just need to set the points and according to that you need to implement the algorithm. Yes, all of you? take different functions. Okay, from Bezier circle you can take a different function, and with the help of both functions draw different lines and different circles. Okay, any doubt here? No doubt? हाँ नहीं कुछ तो बोलो. Is there any doubt? Yes or no? Or
No
clear?
doubt.
No doubt.
No doubt. Okay. Chalo, then you can leave. All of you will continue in the next lecture.